Hey guys, I got a new video for you today, and we're gonna be looking at a new interesting piece of tech that I recently picked up. I actually saw this advertised in another video. And this is the D11, and you might be asking yourself, what is the D11? And basically this is a label maker. So that doesn't sound very interesting, but let me tell you, labeling your gear is a great way to make sure that you know where all your stuff is and how to get it very easily. Let me go ahead and open it up so you guys can see. Those are always really hard because some of the buttons do different things, and you have to kind of figure out how to use it. So taking this out of the packaging, you have your actual label maker right here. You have an instruction manual here, or user manual. I always recommend with any type of electronics that you go ahead and, read through your user manual. And then you have a charging cable here. So this is micro USB to USB. Again, kind of wish that there was updated to USB-C, because that's pretty much where everything is going nowadays. There's going to be some cutbacks and stuff like that. So it does have a micro USB to USB cable here. So let me go ahead and set everything aside, and we'll take a look at it. Alright. So I went ahead and took the printer out of the bag there. And here it is. This is a nice kind of matte white finish to it. Very unassuming. Very easy to store. Take around with you if you wanted to. You have this little kind of rubber strap on the side here that you can maybe hang this off of something, or not. I mean, I don't think it's really necessary, but there it is. So looking through the instructions, it basically tells you to go ahead and slide this button off over to the left. And this actually opens up this top lid. And inside here is already, or it does come with the piece of the paper, the printing paper that you're going to be doing, printing your stuff on. So it does say open here. So it's got a little sticker there, a little tab that you go ahead and take out, and the paper opens up. Now you see here, the labels are individual right here. And basically what it's telling you is once you take that off, to go ahead and slide it back in. And you got to make sure that you have 1 to 2 inches of the paper sticking out off the side right there. So it says to long press the on button to activate the printer. I'm actually reading this off the instructions. So I press that. There you go. You got some tunes there. I'm not sure. Yep, there it is. That little LED blue light is blinking there. Now it asks to go ahead and download the application. So I will do that and get right back to you. Alright, once you've gone ahead and downloaded the application, it's very easy to set up the printer with the application on the phone itself. Now, it is available for both Android and iOS devices. I didn't show you just because it went so quickly. I was trying to test it out to see, but once it's downloaded, you're basically greeted by this screen right here. The application is actually called NIIMBOT, NIIMBOT. It says wrap by word. So if it's too big or something like that and you want to wrap it, you have the ability of the text to be black, or if you want it to be red. Oh. It says. Okay. So you need a two-color printer. So this one, unfortunately, is not. Oh. Actually, yes. It is, sorry. It does change at the top right there. So you can have it black. You can have it red. And then you can, reverse the type. So if you want it to go the other way, and then on the bottom here, you have different buttons that says fonts. So you have a couple of different fonts there. Spacing, so if you want it to be wider, maybe take up a little bit more of the sticker itself, or the label itself, you could do that. So obviously a bunch of different things. And then once you're done, you can actually save it right down there, or you can go ahead and print it. So I'm going to hit print. And then right here, now it tells you the direction that it's going. So it's printing like this. The printer how many copies, and then the density of the printer it's default to, so I'll go ahead and leave it like that and move this off to the side. I'll hit print right here, and then we'll see what happens. There it is, it says printing, and it printed, and then on the screen here, it said successful, or something like that. I didn't really see it. I kind of went through too fast. Okay, so unfortunately this printed on the section that the little plastic thing was on. So let me go ahead and take this off. You have a little serrated edge at the top that you can go ahead and rip off like that. So that's easy. And let me go ahead and print it again. Very easy. So just hit print. And there it is, printed. So I think this is a great option, especially if you're a techie person like myself. Maybe you have a lot of gear. You want to make sure that it's kept labeled so that way you can easily find it, or keep it more organized, or something like that. So there it is. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Thanks.
Thanks for tuning in. Remember to hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and drop a comment below.